Good day. Today I'm going to open up or try to a brand new lock I just got. It's a Squire 660 and it's a new lock. It's not like the old Squires you see here. This was made probably for the past couple of years, and it's all steel, 4 levers. On the back it says Henry Squire & Sons Limited, lock and maker since 1780, and it has their website on it, www.squirelocks.co.uk, and works very smoothly. It does have plastic washers in the clasp here to help move open and close, and you can see all the way through it like you're supposed to. It doesn't have the star rivets on it. I don't think the 660s did, but I'm not sure. But I'll put this in the vise. We'll try to get picking. Use this picking tool I made, a rod and a nail to tin it, and a homemade wire pick. Trick is applying the right tension, and lifting levers to the right height. There we go. Squire 660. Thanks for watching.